take a look how this engine is going to break these three pieces. This is the easy way of breaking trees than suffering yourself. Just pay attention very well and see. And if you are paying attention, you now see how they are using this thing now so to cut tree small small, and also how they are using this engine to pieces this tree now. Just pay attention. If you are paying attention, you share the video. You share the video so that others will learn from you. Make sure you share the video and see how this engine is going to pieces this tree into pieces. Make it be like floor. Just pay attention. Just pay attention. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video to the end, then you will see what I'm talking about. You will experience this one, because after doing this thing now, the pieces they use it to do books, pencil, and other things that we use.